Namaste, my dear friends, all light beings. You can be a light and you can be a higher consciousness. There's no need to we have to say that we are in a normal being. No, we are in a higher being because at this time we are having a golden age. So after 2012, we passed the dark age, then we begin to the golden age now. 2016, so it goes up to 2027, then 2030 you get real golden age and the new world. And this thing at the moment also you are getting a different kind of energies. That means that you're changing your DNA. Maybe you don't know how it's changed, but change from your breath. Right? You don't know how the energy we are getting it, because this is valuable breath. You have to respect for the valuable breath, but people doesn't know how to respect. Thanks for the breath, and thanks for the gravity, and thanks for the earth, thanks for the light, and thanks for the rain. Right? That is, you can thanks for everyone. It's not taking so long time. It's very few seconds maybe. Right? Thank every day, then you will get more and more energy, because thanks to the Mother is giving us real energy to live, right? Not for us only, for others and all the beings, whoever lives, creatures, animals, and all the trees and other things. Many things, and they are giving for us, and higher beings are there. They are giving so much of energy, and they are giving real feeling us, right? And feel everyone, but you don't feel because you are not expecting and you are not accepting. That's why you don't feel, but otherwise you can feel so much cool and calm and peaceful within you. And at this time you may get some phlegm and changing, because your DNA is changed. Little by little, and you get changed. You are very much to the earth, and you are very much loving to the cosmos. That is a natural way. Your mind is getting changed. And three-dimension people, that means you have a lot of aggressive feeling, right, and like anger and hatred and your jealousy, and that people doesn't understand because they don't have a chance. They are young spiritual beings. They are young ages, because the human have to live many times, many years. Ages mean the lifetimes. So that means you are getting to the old, then you understand about your life pattern and your spirituality, then you can begin to get it, understand what is the secret of you. Right? You can say, I am that I am all the time, then you can see your secret within 3 months. Every day you can say, when you're in the car, when you're just sitting on the car, or not to drive, when you're driving, don't keep it that way, right? When you're just sitting down, then you can say, just say, I am that I am, I am that I am. So that is, you are getting your secret, that is your spiritual secret is coming out for you, and say something to your mind, and like intuition, right? So you can get it kind of happening, right, in your spirituality. So you can read all the things, but we are genius. The people doesn't understand we are genius. So I want to tell you these days. So we are getting into the new moon, right? You can just search on my Facebook, and it's called BeVishwa, BeVishva, you can just have a look on NASA, right? They mention about the new moon, right? That is, we are getting a new energies, that is more light, and that is for the specialists for light beings and star seeds and higher consciousness meditators, right? All those things. And I had to say something to the meditators, and please, if you doesn't do grounding ceremony, please do that grounding ceremony, otherwise you are not as complete your meditation. So please do that. That is very important, because you have to have a gratitude, because we are top of the earth and we are not respect to the earth, so that is not nice anyway. Just think about yourself and see. Right, and then you can take the decision. That is not mine, that is yours. But anyway, have to be very peaceful time and be peaceful life and happy all the time and say wow, and in wow situation you have to be happy so much inside on you, then you can feel so much, because this is the time to raise up your vibration and the light in your heart. So this is very important, and respect what you have, what you, even you're drinking water, just glass of water, put your hand like this, right, and just say thanks for this water, and you are giving me a real good feeling, and you are washing me all the time, and I'm really thanks for the water. Then you can drink. Then this water get healed, because the water has memories and water molecules. So that is the way of water, because water is very old, right, about 4 billion years, but people doesn't believe this, but the scientists believe that, because after the core crystal come down to the earth and to the lava, then it's make the core crystal kingdom. So from the core crystal kingdom, this is gas is formed from the core crystal and is turned to the water. So that's why we are having water like this. So this is a protection us. It's a protection water, they protect us. So this is very important. But please, as a human, right, you have a mind and you have a brain and you have everything. Right? So please, before you drink, if you can just respect for the water and just thanks for the water, that should be really nice and feeling good. Right, anyway, you can thanks for many things like that. Before you go to eat also, you can thanks for the food, and you can thanks the farmer who gives you food and who cook for you, and you can thanks for everything, right? Everything what you take, right, what you using, thanks for it. So that means you have a gratitude. So that is very easy to opening your spiritual thing, because if you are having a gratitude for everything, then you are there. There's no need to wake up. You are there already, right? This is already you are waking up. So very easy. Right? It's not very hard. But if you think about so much money, and if you struggle with that, then you are unable to get it. If you just think money comes to me, money is an energy form. Yes, that is an energy form. It's made out from papers. Right? You are the one who giving a value for the money. That is, the higher beings are said to us. So I know that we need money. Right? I know that. But you can just don't bother about money. Money will come to you. Wish it. Wish and release it to the Akash. Definitely you are getting. Right? You can see many things from the YouTube, and you can find how to get the money and how to get thing, and think it is positive way. And if you just go on watching all those things and you say, oh my God, if they say something like this and that, right, but we won't get any. That means you are creating, you aren't able to get anything. But you are a creator, you can create many things, many things, and you are the higher in consciousness. If you willing, if you practice to do it, if you have to practice like when you go to school, right? You have to learn. Otherwise, you don't have in your mind. So that's right? Like this, and the meditation you have to be empty. It's not a hard thing if you try and try and try and work it out. And if you try and say, okay, I'll try tomorrow. Then the next day comes, you said you may try, I'll try tomorrow, right? Every day is like that. Right? Not like that. But I am doing it, right? I'm trying to say, yes, I'm doing that. I'll do myself. Right? Because you are the one who wakes you up. You are the one who you can trust. You are the one who you can love. But not anybody. First you have to love yourself unconditionally. When you wake up, thanks for the universe, and like what I said, right? And thanks for yourself, and say, go to the front of the mirror and say, I love myself, I love myself, I love myself. Say 3 times. Then I love my heart, I love my heart, I love my heart. Say 3 times. Then look your whole body and say, I love myself unconditionally, I love myself unconditionally. Say 3 times. Then again you have to say, universal unconditional love comes to me. I am waiting for the unconditional love from the earth and the universe. Then this will flow to you because you are asking. Now just say, you can't hold now. I used to say, right? You can't hold anything without thinking. Right? Now if you want to hold a glass, you have to think. Right? So these are the things, and make matters, right? Because you are creating your own problems. So don't create your own problem. There is no problem. If you just think there is no problem, then there is no problem. I tell you, right, as a human, we can think a lot of things, right? Now you cannot escape from you. That means you can lie to anyone in this world from your mouth, but you cannot lie for yourself. Is it? Right? Yes, it's the way, right? At the same time, I want to tell you what you think the universe knows. The universe is there because the universe is a creator. So this creator knows what you're saying. Right? The creator is put you here. Right? To get the experience and come back to me. Then I will select where you want to go. Right? Just ask from yourself, and who I am. Ask. You can ask, you can talk to yourself. Go to somewhere, right? Cool and calm place, or beach, or with a full of view, or somewhere comfortable for your mind and yourself, right? So just be there and be calm. Don't think anything else. Just watch here and there. Be silent. Then your mind becomes so silent. Then I want to talk to myself. Just say that. Then at the same time, your mind will talk to you. Then you can continue it. You can ask the questions. Then your mind will tell you who you are, what you're doing in a presently. Right? Be in present in this moment. This is the moment. The past is gone. Or sadness or happiness is gone. But if you are living in this moment all the time, right, then you are a very happy person. So much. Yes, why not? That is the way. That is the way to get into your heart and release the happiness out of your heart to the world, the surrounding you. then you are happy every time. Now see, I think I'm a vegetarian, right? I don't eat anything. I just drink water and tea, milk tea, right? So I'm living now almost past 60 days, right? So this is the way, because live with the happiness and the light, the peaceful. All are within me, right? And I have no illness. Sometimes I get some phlegm, so I have a shower, right? Because I do many activations, then I change myself, right? Every day, right? I do the meditation, and I open my new door in my mind, right? Every day. So that's why I am getting so much of wisdom. Right? This comes through the wisdom. So I am not reading any books because I don't like to read and write. So there's in Facebook also there's someone write to me. Anyway, I said to them, and they write to me. So that's why I don't want to put anything into my mind, because I'm free, I'm happy. Live with the freedom in my mind. You can live also. And this is the time we are changing. So we are changing so fast. We get earthquakes and tornadoes and all the, sometimes the bad weather mean the like chemical things comes and kills people. It happens, and some creatures will attack the people, some mosquitoes, right? And a lot of things will happen, right? But if you are loving with you, if you are doing a meditation with you, right, not without you, right? If you understand, then you can do many things. This is very little period now. So this is happening after 26,000 years and 600 and something, right? Anyway, so we are moving so fast in this world, right? And we are changing to another solar system. That you can find many things. I don't need to say to you all, and you can find many things from the YouTube, right? You can find how the way it's moving and how it travels and how the higher beings are saying, like Pleiadians, like Octarians and Syrians and like Anunnaki. Right? Watch these videos and you can get to know a lot of things. A lot of messages are coming to this world, and why don't you watch these videos and work with it. You can get many things. If you are lucky, you can find many things, right? I am saying that everyone is lucky, because at this period is real higher consciousness. You can join it. You can be a higher being, right? So this is a message to the earth people, right? You can be higher into the higher consciousness. Then you can open your 12 chakra systems and 12 DNA systems, and you can get to very far away. You can get it to the light being, and you can live and easy and happy with the new light of the earth, right? So new light will be always comes down like a huge wave, right? This light will be always into our world. After that, 5 dimension bright light. That means we are in the 3 to 4 now. Right? It's moving to the 5 dimension. That means the supreme light. Right? So you can be with it if you raise up your vibration and the light. Your consciousness will be getting higher and higher. I wish you to have this thing and do it simply and We are all creators, don't forget that, right? And you can wake within you, right? And we are waking up people, right? You can see in my Facebook, and you can see how the way I am waking up, and we are really happy, and others also so much happy, right? They are having a nice classes and journeys with the spiritual higher consciousness beings. So I want to say once again, right, watch the YouTube and just find out something for you, right? Wake up, don't sleep, now it's time enough to sleep. And the higher being says for a Gaia being, this Gaia being is earth, right? So they said, and Gaia people, they are not in consciousness, right? They are like dead, like unconsciousness, because they are having always money, 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 money. That's it. They are having it. They doesn't think they have a spirituality. No, never. Why this? Right? That's what we are. We are giving energy for them, for everyone, so you can raise up your vibration and get this thing and receive the energies and release the energies, negative energies, what you have. Then you will get into the real way. So I wish you to have everything, and you will get everything, and you will get so cool heart, and mind is blowing like air, and you can be with the space, right? In golden age, you are getting everything how you think you will get. That's the way it's a golden age. You can feel and you can see, right? Good luck. Thanks for listening. I love you unconditionally, deep inside my heart, right? And wake up and be within you. Love yourself unconditionally. Don't forget. Good luck. Namaste.